YouTube, XBMC Nut here, just with an update to my solar panel. It's finally been deployed. Here it is attached to the side of the swimming pool deck, and we've got the sun setting in the west out there, and the solar panel leaning up against there, so we only really get the sun from about 1:32 p.m. Onwards. So that's the only time it's had the heat, say the last 5 hours. And underneath the solar panel is a little 5 litre per minute 24 volt DC pump, which is sucking water out of the pool. It comes into the left hand side of the panel just through a garden hose, and then down the vacuum tubes, and then out that side, and then back around and into the pool. And currently we have got 31.3 degrees of water coming out. The pool itself is sitting at around 28 degrees, so we're getting about a 2.5 degree rise going through the solar panel, which I'm pretty happy with. So yeah, all in all, working pretty well. So yeah, really happy with that. Thanks for watching. Bye.